Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept friend requests or follow requests on the Threads application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Threads app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your Instagram if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can browse through various different threads that others have made. Now, if you wish to accept any friend requests or if you wish to follow back someone that may have followed you, then tap on the heart icon at the bottom section, which will take you into all notifications. Now, within this page, you will see the follows, replies as well as mentions section. You can tap on follows and this will now show you all of the follow requests that you have received. You can simply tap on the follow back button for each of the requests that you wish to accept. Once you tap on the follow back button, you will now become friends as you both are following each other on Threads. Just follow back any profile that you wish to follow and ignore the other ones, and they will slowly disappear from your feed and your notifications. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to accept any friend or follow request on the Threads application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.